Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 65th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about article and header tag in HTML5. We'll start with doctype HTML. Doctype HTML is used to inform the browser about the version of HTML used in document. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, now title tag, now we'll end the title tag, now we'll end head tag, now we'll use body tag, and now we'll use article tag. Article tag represents a self-contained composition in a document, page, application or site which is intended to be independently reusable. Article tag, after that we'll use h1 tag, header tag, now we'll end the h1 tag, now p tag, now we'll end the p tag, article tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll save the file with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is the basic output of how to use article tag and doctype in HTML5.